here it comes. The newest version of America's most popular car. The classically stunning Olds Cutlass Supreme. Makes you think the Cutlass mystique was created entirely on style alone.
MIKEGTV. B. All right, another day, another pot to go get. I'm on my way to get another Fender for my Cutlass. I gotta go to the guy told me to go to Uxbridge. I don't think he wants to tell me where the car's at. I don't know, but he didn't give me the address. He said to call him when I'm like 5 minutes away or whatever. Maybe he did give me the address, I don't know, but we'll see when we get there. But right now it's saying it's a half hour away. I don't know why it said it was 50 minutes and when I Googled it in the house, but half hour sounds bad. It says 24 minutes. That sounds better than 50 minutes to me, but yeah, still hunting down pots. He went up on the price on me too. He told me it'd be probably like $50. Now his buddy said it's 75. But I need it, so I gotta go get it. So yeah, that's what I'm on my way to do right now. 24 minutes away, hopefully. So yeah, let me go get this. Alright, the address that he gave me is right around here somewhere. It says I'm 20 seconds away, so
after 300 yards, you have reached your destination.
I don't know. It's coming up, I guess.
You have reached your destination.
I guess this is it, but I don't know. He didn't answer me back yet. Hopefully this is it. Maybe he's in the back. Probably, but gonna pull back here, see if I see the car or him. And I don't see anything, so I'm just gonna try to call him and see what he says, because he hasn't answered me back on Facebook yet. So I'm gonna try to video call him and tell him I'm at the spot where he told me to go. But let me do that and I'll be right back. I called him and well, I didn't have to call him. I checked my phone and he left a message. He said he'll be here in a few. So yeah, he don't want me to know where this car's at. But I ain't worried about it. I just need the Fender. It would have been nice if I seen the car. Maybe I could have got more stuff off of it. I want to grab the headliner. If this stuff didn't happen, this headliner would have been out of here and fixed already with the lights back in it and everything, the suede. But this happened, and I think this is, I don't know, there's a truck that just pulled up. This might be him, but I don't know. I doubt it because they pulled all the way in the back. But I'm just sitting here waiting for him. Like I said, if this didn't happen, this accident, this would have been fixed. All of this is coming down. I gotta order the glue. I gotta order the right glue. I gotta order the starlights, just the the fiber optics. I gotta order those again because I told you the story before. I cut it too short and it barely made it to the trunk. So the glue, the suede, the fiber optics, that's all I need to do to redo the I need to redo the headliner. I need 3 yards because I bought 2 to do this one. This thing is bad, man. Look at it. All of this is coming down from using that spray can 3M or whatever it was. I forgot the number of it, but I had a feeling it was gonna happen. Or maybe I just put it on there too fast. Maybe I needed to let it dry. But this contact cement that I seen, the guy that I watch on YouTube, he uses it, and he I guess he knows what he's doing. He paints cars and stuff. He uses Light Bond. I think it's 2065. I'm not sure about the number, but I have it written down in the house. It's either the Light Bond I want to get. That one's cheaper. It's Landau contact cement or whatever. The Light Bond is cheaper. I think I seen it for $45 a gallon. I want to buy a gallon so I have extra because I always need that stuff to put like speaker boards and stuff. So that was $45. The one that I was gonna get was the DAP Landau top adhesive or whatever it is, something like that. I don't know. I'll put a picture of if I remember on the video. But the Light Bond is cheaper, and he uses it, and he uses it all the time. I watch his videos a lot, and I always see him using it, so it must work. I'm pretty sure it works way better than this stupid spray can adhesive. I wish I remembered the number, but I don't. But I'll never do it. That was a waste of time taking all this off. Now I got to do it again. It's like everything I'm doing on this car twice. But I'm here waiting for this guy. I'll cut you guys back on when he gets here. Yeah, the ride wasn't that bad. I thought it was gonna be far. I'm telling you, when I googled it from my house, it said 50 minutes away, but this is just past where I used to work at. I used to work over. It's not even the same name no more, but I used to work at Polytop. I forgot what they call it now, but I left there a little bit after they changed the name. Yeah, it wasn't that far. It's a good thing because I wasn't trying to go. Well, I had to go anyway. I wasn't trying to 50 minutes there and 50 minutes back, but this is all right. It's right past the state line. It's a good thing I didn't have to take the fender off either. He's taking it off. That's good. Nice. I would've if I had to, but it's better that he's doing it. So hopefully tomorrow this guy takes his car. Now I got 2 fenders. He can pick whatever one he wants, whatever one's better. The one that I'm buying right now, look, I'm piecing together fenders now. The fender that I'm about to buy doesn't have any chrome on it. So I got to take the chrome off the one that I have. The chrome that goes around the wheel well. And the 2 chrome pieces on the bottom. And there's 1 little piece in the corner where the hood's at. But I got all that. It's all on this one. And I took the piece from that junk. The first trip to the junkyard, I took the piece off for the front. The one all the way in the front and the bottom. So I got an extra one of that. So I'm all set. It's crazy. I got to piece together the bumper and now I got to piece together the fender, but got to do what I got to do, man. This car needs to look the way it did before this lady hit me. But I'm still waiting for him, so I'll turn you guys on when he gets here. It's been like a half hour now. I'm still waiting for him. How many of you guys remember these things? Where's the really long one? How many of you guys remember these things? I only got one hand, so I can't take off the leaves, but you ever got hit with one of these? I'm that many old. Alright, I think that's him. He said he was in the Odyssey. He told me to check out the D.I.Y valve that's on the top of the carburetor. He said that's probably what's making the car shake. So check for D.I.Y valve for the carburetor. Finally got that Fender. It's about time. Just in time too. Supposed to be going to paint tomorrow.
Take the highway.
Alright, I just made it back home. I got the Fender. It needs to be fixed right there. The chrome needs to be put back on. I have that. But this Fender is way better than the one that I had. Because the one that I had was rotted out right there. But this one's better than the one that I had. So I'm gonna give the paint guy both of them and he could do what he gotta do. Lunchtime!